Welcome back, new on Daybreak. There are many people all across the country who struggle with being alone with our own thoughts. Isolation affects everyone differently, but how can we harness that silence into positive and inspired thinking? Today we have Dr. Danielle Henderson, a clinical psychologist from IU Health. She's here to talk about how we can turn our alone time and our thoughts into something positive.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, Dr. Danielle Henderson. Tell us, why is it challenging to be alone with our own thoughts?
Well, because I think, from the moment we wake up, where it's go, 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 our alarm goes off. Typically the alarm is on our phone. Then it makes it very easy to start looking at other things on our phone.
Sure.
Other people in our home who need us, who we have to, start our day and start caring for. And then kind of when we go to bed, same thing. We're maybe on our phones or busy with other things. And so hard to find that quiet time. Yeah.
How do we harness the quiet time, and why is it important?
So I always try to encourage people to be intentional about it. Again, for a lot of us, this might be something new we're trying, and we're used to the go, go, go and hectic pace of our day. So how can we try to schedule it and plan it out? When I get home from work or from my day, before I turn anything on or answer any other phone calls, I'm just going to maybe try to use that time, 10 or 15 minutes, to sit in the quiet and see what comes to mind for me and what's on my heart for the day.
Does it matter if we do this in the morning or at night? Is there suggestions about quieting down the noise?
I think at a time that you think is going to work for you. I think sometimes we also compare this to doing exercise or body movement. Some of us, we are first things in the morning, midday, evening. You want to try to do this at a time that's going to work for you, that you can adhere to and stick to, and that will work for you.
Dr. Henderson, let's be honest. There's a lot of people out there, like our meteorologist, that do not like to be alone with their own thoughts. I hear it's kind of like electric shock for some people.
Some people, yes, in an article said, or a study said, they would prefer to do electric shock rather than be alone with their thoughts. But I think, for some people it can be scary because, again, we're used to focusing on others or finding ways to keep ourselves busy and distracted, that to kind of have that moment to think about what's going on with me can be a little nerve-wracking and scary.
So talk to us about why this is a positive thing. We'll have this time to ourselves. All these thoughts will come up. Why is this good, even though they could be negative thoughts that's coming up for us?
I think it can give you some time to, one, just check in what's there. Maybe they're not always negative thoughts. Maybe they're a time that you can be proud of yourself and give yourself some time to think about accomplishments you've had over the last week or month or something. And also can give you some space to really think about what are some things that are important to me that maybe I want to try to build into my day or my week, or maybe some things I need to address and take care of.
Any other suggestions for positive thinking?
I think, again, affirmations can be helpful. So if you do maybe want to start your quiet time with a positive affirmation or something that will help you reflect, or a prompt to get you to think about something, I think that can be helpful, as well.
All right. Well, Dr. Henderson, always great information. You are always welcome on Daybreak.
Thank you.
We love it when you come in because, we learn so much.